Just explanation about your idea about success.
Okay.
Exactly. What do you mean?
Success has
No.
a lot of meaning, definition. But for me, success is you can enjoy gaining the struggle in your life. But I have listened some quote. I forget it. But you you can say success if the human can humanity the other humans. Success. Like we live in the social relationship, social life, and have many people in our environment, environment. But I think the success we can increase the
Tingkatkan.
quality of life the other human.
Oh, right.
In generally in agent